I have another recipe from my cookbook today, zucchini brownies. This is one of the most popular recipes on my site all year long, but especially in zucchini season, which is all summer long for us here in California. I know you're gonna love this recipe. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Zucchini brownies, it's zucchini in brownies with the most delicious fudgy frosting. These are epic. No one will know that there is zucchini hidden inside. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. All right, let's start off by mixing our dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half of a cup of cocoa, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. You're just gonna whisk that together until it's nice and combined. I love to do this ahead of time because then it makes it easier to mix in the wet ingredients. And now we're gonna stir the wet ingredients together. You can use this by hand or in a mixer. Half of a cup of vegetable oil, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix that together and then add in the dry ingredients to the mixture and mix it until it's crumbly. It's going to be very sandy looking before you add your zucchini. So now I'm stirring in 2 cups of shredded zucchini. This is probably 1 large or 2 small depending on the size of your zucchini. Now the amount of water that you're going to add to this really depends on how wet your zucchini is. So just keep stirring it, and if your zucchini isn't super wet, you might need to add up to 3 to 5 tablespoons of water. This is the consistency of the batter that you want. So go ahead and just add water until you get that consistency, but make sure to stir the zucchini in first. Let it sit for a minute just to see, because sometimes zucchini is wetter or drier depending on the season or where you got it. And then you're going to put this into a 9 by 13 inch pan lined with foil, sprayed with nonstick cooking spray, and bake that until it's nice and combined. And while it's baking for about 25 to 30 minutes, we're going to make our frosting. So now the frosting starts with melted butter. That's 1/4 cup that's been melted, and you're going to whisk in 3 tablespoons of cocoa and 2 cups of powdered sugar, along with 1/4 cup of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you're going to whisk that together until it's smooth, and if you don't want lumps, you can go ahead and sift that powdered sugar with the cocoa, because sometimes powdered sugar is lumpy. And then you're going to frost the brownies, and that frosting, oh, it is amazing. This is one of my favorite recipes. My daughter absolutely loves these every time I make them. They are one of the most popular on my site all year long, but zucchini season especially, because people have it coming literally out of their ears practically. That frosting makes the recipe, so don't skip it. You can see how fudgy these are. They're to die for. I cannot wait to finish filming today so that I can go and enjoy some. Leave me a comment and let me know what kind of zucchini recipes you want to see, because I have tons of it in my kitchen. And keep watching for even more brownie and bar recipes.